Hello kids, welcome back to Explorer. This geography lesson is for the students in grade 6. In this video, we are going to learn about the Unit 3, Good Maintenance of the Immediate Surroundings of Your Home. The main objectives of this lesson are as follows: identification of the basic natural components of immediate surrounding and understanding of the proper maintenance of it. In this lesson, we are going to learn about 6 basic components of the natural surroundings. They are land, water, soil, plants, animals, and atmosphere. With the development of the knowledge of man, his influence towards the components of the environment was increased. In this video, let's learn about the basic component, land. Land is utilized in different ways. Let's say what they are. For agriculture, for existence of flora, for existence of fauna, for building houses, for living, for building roads, and for irrigation. There are important facts that we need to consider regarding the proper use of land. To avoid soil erosion, we have to grow cover crops, and we can build stone ledges or make drains. Other than that, by covering the land with coir dust or straw and making fertilizers in a pit with kitchen waste, we can properly use our land. Sometimes people use the land in irregular manner. Irregular gem mining, mining limestone, unlimited sand mining, extraction of clay for bricks and tiles, excessive use of agrochemicals, and cultivation on mountain slopes are some examples for irregular use of land. The irregular use of land leads to bad effects like soil erosion, floods, landslides, droughts, destruction of animal habitats and ecosystems, and shortage of drinking water. Let's properly use the land to avoid the bad effects. Wait for the upcoming video. Let's meet with the next part, that is water. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications of new videos. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.